Okay, so last time we have learned, okay, on page label parameter, guys. Okay, anyone have any question, any query? No? Okay, so now today we are going to learn sorting, guys. Okay, what is meaning of sorting? Sorting basically allow us, okay, allow user to sort, okay, to sort the data of table, okay. So basically, if you want to sort the data, let's suppose in a table, you are able to see the data like category, total sale, total order, and total profit. Now you are thinking that, okay, I want to see the highest sale in the top and lowest sale in the bottom, or just vice versa thing, guys. Okay. So that process is called sorting. Okay, okay, my friend. So now let's see how can we perform a sorting in SSRS. Okay. So let's go back to the query. Okay, I'm going to use this query. Okay, my friend. So here in this query, I'm using state city. Okay, so I'm removing the city. Okay, I'm just choosing the state, guys, and no where clause. So this is my data, guys. Okay. Now I want to show the data on the basis of order by, okay, state. So I can write like this, order by state. So if you use this sort order by concept, guys, okay, every time whenever you run the report, it can be sorted by the order to everyone. And if you want to change it, okay, that means you need to change the data or query also. Okay, so let's do it. I think this one we already done, huh? Yeah, this one, fixed sorting. Okay, so whenever we run, okay, we can see the data on the basis sorted by the customer name, guys. Okay, look at this. Order by customer name ascending. Okay, so that means we can see the customer that name start with A in the top. Okay, and if in the future if you want to change the customer name order, okay, so we need to change the query here. Okay, and we can change that descending, guys. Okay, now we can see the name of the customer who name start with G. Okay, to everyone. But this is not possible. This is not a good solution because let's suppose in a future customer want to say that, okay, I want to sort on the basis of order here. Or customer say that some customer say that, okay, I want to sort on the basis of total order. Some say the total sale. So that means this is not a feasible solution, guys. And during the runtime, user can decide that, okay, they want to sort on the basis of which column. So overcome this issue, okay, SSRS say that he have a one more concept called dynamic sorting. Okay, so let's see how dynamic sorting works. Okay, so I'm going to create a new report. And now this report name is dynamic sorting. Okay, please everyone create this report. Okay, and I'm going to choose this query, guys. I'm sharing this query in a chat. So let's make a data, first of all, data source. and then data set. Please, my friend, and let's create a table. Okay, please, everyone, create this thing. Let me know. Oh, let me know, guys, once it's ready. Okay, so now let's understand. Okay, so here, if you see, my friend, this report is always sorted by the state name. Okay, in the future, if you want to change it, okay, we need to change the query. Okay, so overcome this issue. SSRS give you one option that is called interactive sorting, guys. Interactive sorting means during the runtime, user can decide it he want to sort the data on the basis of which column. Okay, so let's go here. First of all, okay, which column you want to apply the interactive sorting? Choose the header, not value, header, guys, here. So I want to implement interactive sorting here. So I just choose the header, right click, and you get the option called text box property. Okay, please everyone choose. Okay, and now here you can get the option called interactive sorting. Just click. Now, first of all, you need to choose that. Okay, enable it. Okay, and now sort by which column? So because this is a state column, so I'm just saying, okay, please sort by state. Okay, so just click on this one. That means you are informing that SSR that okay, you want to enable the interactive sorting on the basis of this column. Okay, and which column value? This column value. Done, everyone?
Done, sir.
Now just click OK and go to the preview. Now you can see there is a up and down arrow you can see in the state column. Okay. If you click on this arrow, okay, your data will be short. Look at this. And during the runtime, did you see that? You did not change the query. It automatically changed the sorting order. Done, everyone? Okay. Now let's implement the sorting order on the order year and all the columns. Okay. So let's go to the design. Now this time I want to implement in the order year. So I just select the order year. Header. Always select the header, my friend. Right click, text box property, interactive sorting, enable, and which column, guys? Order year. And okay. So now you can see when you click on the preview, you can see the interactive order available in the two columns. Done, guys? Anyone? Any question? Any query? I hope everyone done. So this is called dynamic
Yes.
sorting, guys. Yes? Anyone? Any question? Okay. Now let's move the next one that is called formatting. Okay, so let's make a dynamic sorting from the scratch, guys. Okay. So now I want to create a table. I want to create a parameter. Okay, everyone. Try now. In the parameter, okay, you will show the state name, okay, and in the table, okay, state name, total city, total customer, total order, okay. By default, okay, listen carefully. By default, highest order, highest order state show in the top, okay, but user can sort the data, sort the table data by using any column. Understand? By default, highest order state show in the top, but user have option to sort the data by using any column. Clear, my friend? Not this one. No, no, no. Highest cell in the top. Here I'm just changing. Highest cell in the top. Okay, please everyone. Try this one.
Are we also showing total sales as a column too, or
Sorry.
are we using total sales as a column too?
No, look at this. In the table we don't have, no?
Okay.
But if you, okay, let's add it, no?
But
Otherwise you're going to confuse. No, no worry. Total sale, we can also add.
uh,
Please everyone do it. Now the next one is called formatting guide. Okay. So let's create a table first. And this one is called conditional formatting. Okay. Let's create a data set first. Same process. Okay. And this is the query that I'm going to use. And now let's make a table. Please everyone create this. Let me know once everyone done, guys.
yes, sir.
Okay. So now formatting means what? First of all, formatting means, okay, changing the background
Could
color or
we
you
hold?
can changing the look and feel. Okay, so let's change it. So let's suppose if you want to change all header background color in a one single shot, okay, you can just click here and now you can change as per your choice. I hope everyone remember this one. True? Okay, my friend? Like this. Okay. So this is called static formatting, my friend. What is meaning of static formatting? Static formatting means, okay, this formatting cannot be changed. Okay, if you want to change it, okay, then you need to redesign the project. Okay. But now we are going to learn the conditional formatting. That means you need to apply a formatting, but on that same time, you need to say that, okay, this is a condition. Those who fulfill the condition, they can display like this design or they can display like this formatting. Otherwise, they can display with this formatting. Okay. So for example, let's suppose here my condition is all the total customer. Okay. All the total customer. Let's go with the sales. Okay. All the total sale, those who are higher than 500. Okay. They can display in a green background color. Okay. Otherwise, yellow background color. Understand, my friend?
Yes, sir.
All the total sales column value, if they are less than 500, then show in a yellow background color, otherwise green background color. Okay. So now we cannot apply this thing because here we have a condition. True. So that type of formatting is called conditional formatting. So let's do it. So first of all, you need to identify that in which column you want to apply the conditional formatting. So my conditional formatting apply on the total sales. So I choose the total sales value section. Right click and text box property. Please everyone. In the text box property, okay, I want to change the background color. So we can go with the fill, okay. And now here you can choose the background color, guys. Okay. Look at this. Here you already mentioned that change background color or image option. So we can say that, okay, I want to change the background color. Okay. So now if you choose the color from here, guys, okay, this can be a fixed color. Here we did not write any concept called if or any condition, guys, here. Okay. So here you, if you see that effects means, okay, you have an option to write some condition here. So please click on the effects. Okay, my friend. Here in this expression box, we can write our expression. So my expression is IIF if, okay. Now bracket open, it automatically say that first of all, write the expression, then true part, then false part. So what is my condition? Sales value. The sales value. So sales is my column here in the data set. So I just choose the field and which column? Total sale. So double click and our total sales automatically come there. So you just write if IIF, okay, drag the total sale here. If total cell value dot to string. You don't need to type it. Just type few word automatically come. Press enter. Greater than 500. Okay, this is my condition. Then if it is true, then green. Okay. Next comma, yellow and bracket close. Please everyone write down like this. Now let's check the result. Just click OK. Okay. And now preview. Now, it's showing same result that we want, my friend.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is called conditional formatting. So it's a formatting. You change the background color, but apply some condition. True? Anyone who are not able to see, guys? Okay. Let's do it the next. Can we? Okay, my friend. So let's write a condition here. Okay, I'm writing on the total profit. If total profit greater than, okay, 100, okay, green, else yellow. Please do it, guys. I'm coming in 2 minutes, na? Okay. Now this time we want to show that, okay, if my cell, if total cell greater than 0, okay, and total cell less than 100, then red color, okay, my friend, then red color. If total cell greater than 100 and less than 500, okay, then yellow. And if total cell greater than 500, then green. Okay. Now let's see how can we do. First of all, you guys try. Okay. Let's see what is your thought, and then I can show you.
Okay, quick question on this before we go.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we already have one formatting on this, right? So what happens to that?
No. So whatever the current formatting you have, only that formatting will apply.
Okay,
Understand?
that will be
So that
overridden.
means
Okay,
because we already have some formula on this total cell. Okay.
right,
So we can go here, text box property,
right.
field, and now we can write our new formula. So then automatically, those who are the latest, it can display on the basis of that one.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, got it.
Oh, sorry, I forget to show the formula. Yes.
Okay,
So now what is the first condition, guys? Total sale greater than 0 and total sale less than 100. Okay. So let's write down the condition. Okay. So in this section, what we write? We write the condition. Okay, guys. So I'm writing one condition greater than 0 and, okay, less than 100. Okay, guys. Till this point, any question? I think this and is not work. This is work. Okay. So first condition I'm writing here. Let me maximize this one. So I'm writing a one condition here that total and here if you want to see that, okay. So operator you can search here, guys, like logical, bitwise. So and I need to type it. Okay. So capital A and D. Okay. So I'm writing a one condition where total sale is greater than this and this. And now if this condition is true, Then I'm writing a red color. So red. Okay. But if this condition is fail, so I have again a if condition. So I'm writing if, okay. Then second condition. What is the second condition? What is the second condition, guys? So the first condition is here, if total sales greater than 0 and less than 100. Okay. So I'm writing and showing the red color. If this condition is fail, then I need to write the condition like greater than 100 and less than 500. Okay. So I'm writing that greater than 100 and less than 500. Then yellow color. Okay. And now the last condition. Okay. Or if you want, you can write the else part here also, guys. Okay. So else green. Okay. Bracket close. And now your condition is fulfilled, guys. And one more. Clear, everyone? This is true or not? Done, my friend? So now let's check that. Now you can see green, yellow, red. Okay. Let me show the condition one more time. So condition is clear to all of you guys. Anyone, any doubt, any question, please. Okay, my friend. So you do it. I'm just coming in 1 minute. Anyone have a doubt? Please ask, guys. Don't be hesitate.
So could you show your preview once?
Yeah, sure. If I go to the preview, it show like this.
Okay, it's working, but I'm also getting a warning. Should I just like, you
Show
know,
me your screen. Let's see that.
sir?
Where is the bond?
This one.
This one, no issue.
Okay.
He said that, okay, your column will return some data type that is not handled.
Mm-hmm.
But no worry. What about others?
All good.
Very good.